What's nanny? So today we are going to talk about the nanny course. So the caregiver course or the nanny course that we offer here in the district Sangrur of Punjab state in India. So today I am making this video in English because some of my viewers requested me specifically that I should go with the English language because some of my audience are not able to understand Punjabi. So today I am going to tell you each and every step of nanny. So if you want to do nanny, firstly the question comes in our mind, what is nanny or a caregiver? So the answer itself comes into our mind. This refers to a lady which is able to take care of kids while their parents are not home, or in some cases the parents are also there. So there is a common misconception in our mind that only the rich are able to afford nannies or the caregivers. While if I talk about India, in India there is no nanny culture. People here in India usually prefer the maids and they pay them some extra bucks to take care of their babies, but they are not even certified. So if you want to be a nanny and you want to migrate to Canada, this video is for you. So if you are sitting here in Punjab or in India and you want to migrate to Canada on a work permit and you have less qualification or you are not eligible to go on a study visa because of your age, your gap, or you are not able to do IELTS, then the nanny course is for you. The nanny course is totally of 6 months. In this course, we teach our students how to deal with the kids, their infections, their mental abilities. So there is the 4-month theoretical training while 2-month practical training. The practical training consists 40 hours each of hospital, crèche and Red Cross. So in these practical trainings, our students get to know about the physical illness or how to deal with the students, how to deal with the kids when they are injured while playing. So it is basically the first step to dress up the wounds. Whenever the kid gets any injury while playing or they get stuck the food into their mouth, so then how we can deal with them. So in these practical trainings they come to learn about these things. And after that there are some other things like Canadian history and culture that we teach our students. So we also teach about the nutrition and food preparation, these kind of things to our students. So at last, for more information, you can call us on our numbers that are mentioned below in the screen, or you can also comment us in the comment section. So if you want to go in Canada, you have not done IELTS, you are over 18 years of age and below 48 years of age, you have done +2, GNM, nursing, BSc nursing or any graduation, you are a lady or a gent, whether a male or a female, and you still want to migrate to Canada, there is someone in Canada who is able to sponsor you. The person who can provide you job offer, who is eligible to pay you, the person who is the citizen of Canada, they can call you here from India. So guys, this is my first video in English. Maybe there are some things that I must have skipped, so I'm sorry about that, and I'll try to improve in my next upcoming sessions, because as you all know, as an Indian, we always try to accomplish all the things. So but still, if you have any doubt, you can comment us in the comment section. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Thank you.